In this video, we will learn how to use the bench drill press in order to create holes in our design in the pierced parts, so then we will be able to put our blade in and start cutting them out. As you can see, in order to use this machine, we will power it on. We'll have a piece of wood, we'll have our sheet metal, and we will just rotate the knob and use it in order to make the holes in the metal. When you're using it, just make sure your hands are safe and not under the drill. The first thing we'll do is grab our sheet metal with our design glued on it. We'll place it in a way that the drill will go right where the white part is, which is where the pierced parts will be. And then we will start the machine. And once we're ready, we will turn the knob in order to make the drill go down and perforate the metal. Once our metal has a hole in it, we will rotate the knob and pull our drill up, and we will move over it and keep doing it in all of the spaces where our sheet of metal will be pierced. Once we're done, our sheet of metal should look something like this. And if you look at it from the back, it should look like this.